are live. It is Saturday, May 14th, 10:41 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let me just go get the disclaimer out of the way. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Any information I give is just only to be used as entertainment purposes, and please do your own research. Okay, so let's see what's going on. I think the main thing I've noticed, some news popping out on Twitter. Let me find my mouse here. I'll just go to my Twitter page real quick here. I know TechLead posted that there are a couple of hacks going on. The GoDaddy hack and something else. I reposted it also. The main thing though is hold off using QuickSwap because I think their domain got hacked. And if you do any swaps on QuickSwap, it can go to a hacker's address. I think QuickSwap said that they fixed it, but they actually said, here we go. Let me click on this. QuickSwap devs have regained access to the domain. We are the first effective protocol to regain access. While we run more tests, we advise users to continue waiting before using our DEX. So, and here was TechLead's post here earlier below that. So they responded to TechLead, which is nice. And I just said, hold off on using QuickSwap for now. So where does that leave you if you see good deals on Polygon? Well, you could still use Uniswap, right? If you click the Polygon network address up here. Although I was having problems with it, but so I'll close that out. But you could, that's an option. There's something called Swapmatic, which I didn't even know about, which you could try using. You could just Google what are some Polygon swap dexes out there. You got 1 inch is another option that uses Polygon. So if you actually have to use or swap on Polygon, there's options for you. You don't have to use QuickSwap. I like using QuickSwap though. And yeah, I'm not sure what this is. I think this is, I guess I'll come back to that later. I'm not sure what that is. I think I was looking around at, I guess I could just backspace it. So yeah, the main issue is some hacks going on. So check out my Twitter page and go through the scrolls and check out TechLead's page. He's been putting out some good videos lately, the last couple of times. So check out his YouTube page also. And Million Token, let's see now, where's Million Token? We have on Polygon, it's 335, 344 in PancakeSwap or Binance Smart Chain, and 334 on Uniswap. So not much has changed. We are still above $3, so that's good news. A couple of days ago, we were below $2, and I was able to grab some then. And I picked up some more yesterday, because my fear is, if the bottom's in, I don't want to have to pay double to reach my goal of like 2%. So I got 2% of the supply now. I'm happy, and now I feel like there's less stress for me. If I buy Million Token, I'm going to try to wait before, have it wait until it goes below $3 if I get the chance. So that's my plan right now, but no promises. I might buy some more, There was something I had posted. I've been posting a lot on Twitter that led me to believe the bottom might be in. Where is it? I try to post positive stuff and both sides of the coin, good stuff and bad stuff. I'm still leaning bearish though, especially in the macroeconomics. But there was a really good chart that looked like the bottom was in, but I just don't have a lot of confidence in it. So because of that, I just bought a few more tokens, and then, I got my 2%. Yeah, I don't even see it right now. Anyway, it's in there somewhere. So I'm still thinking that, Bitcoin is going to roll over here. And, I posted that, Bitcoin was going to hit like 27,000 when it was 30,000. And that target was reached. And, then I predicted that, as we were going up, I predicted that we would be in this like white descending channel and that we were going to roll over. And it seems to be doing that as we speak. We had hit these exponential ribbons up here on the 4-hour chart. And, I was saying we were going to come back down to this channel, but as we were kind of going up here. So, I'm just trying to stay patient and wait for bottoms. If we come back down for Bitcoin and come down to these lower channels here, let's say that'd be around $26,000, then I might consider buying, some more altcoins. By then, million token could be below $3 again. We'll see. Speaking about people selling million token, some wallets I've been watching, the numbers have kind of gone down. The last two wallets down here, they haven't recently sold. The one that has 1,000 and 3,000. But there's always new wallets coming out in the market selling a little bit. They don't have a whole lot, but so I saw one wallet go from Ethereum, moved his, I think it was like 600 tokens or so, to Binance Smart Chain, and he's selling a few at a time over there. So I think that was the one that's holding 498 right now. But overall, I'm seeing like less sell pressure. If you look at the wallets for the staking pool, I think there's 346,000. So it hasn't changed. So the whales are not removing their tokens from the pool to sell. Some might be removing rewards for selling. I think there were two whale wallets that were doing that. I haven't followed up on that recently, but they were doing that for a while, so I assume they're still doing it. So we had support at this line, and then we broke through it, and then now it's acting as resistance. So that's how I came up with this channel. And the altcoin market, which I actually haven't pulled up for many weeks for some reason. I think where this green line and this red line is right here back in 2016 is kind of looks like here. So we broke down from the green line recently, and we did that back here in October of 2016, and we didn't go up again until mid-December. So that's like a month and a half or so of downward sideways action. And we could just be starting that now. So if history repeats or rhymes, it's mid-May now, April, May, June. So July, mid-July, late July, maybe we have a turnaround. I'm looking at some of these alts and they just got decimated. Like I like One or Harmony One, and because I actually have some million token on Harmony One blockchain also, and their fees are like the lowest I've seen, like lower than Polygon, even not even a penny. And like we went down to minus 91%, and right now from the all-time high we're down to 88%. I mean, these are numbers that you normally see only at the bottom of a bear market. So I'm not sure why One got hit so hard. I haven't been following the community or anything, but I don't know if something happened with the blockchain, or if it's just that's how the altcoin cycles go. We're just kind of going down. And I looked at Link yesterday and a few others, and they just got rocked. Link had actually stopped providing pricing for Luna, which caused further pain in one of the tweets I read. So I think they stopped providing pricing when it went down below 10 cents. Not sure why that happened. But yeah, I like One. I might buy some One. Some people were actually buying Luna. I sold some. Somebody was trying to get some of their million token off the ETH blockchain on Telegram, and I sent him $40 for it. He wanted to get it off, and then he put that into Luna, I guess somewhere at the bottom, and he almost 4x his money. I woke up and he had like turned $40 into like $160 or something like that. So yeah, be careful, because it should go to zero. The peg is still at 16 cents today, and they should be selling Luna to cover that peg. They should also be selling Bitcoin. Yeah, CZ from Binance was still wondering or asking, like, what happened to all the Bitcoin? I know some of it went to Gemini and Binance, but that was supposed to stabilize the peg. I'm sure they sold a lot of it, but I don't know how much is left of the Bitcoin. But Luna, Carl the Moon had just posted a video. It was yesterday or earlier today. I think it was yesterday, that he was thinking about selling all of his Luna. He had bought like 1.6 or 1.9 million dollars worth, he said. And then it's worth like 3,000 or something like that now. Probably even less. But yeah, as Luna is crashing, like this is the 5-minute chart. You just never know where the bottom is, and you don't ever know when it's going to roll over. It could roll over within 1 hour or 3 hours. But I noticed the incline is less steep now. So it was going up really fast and then crashed, go up fast, crashed. But now the incline is kind of going at a 45-degree angle. Looks like organic growth, the 0 mark is where that bottom white line is. Right there. And we came down to 112 versus 0. That's something. So yeah, if you catch anything at 0, a lot of people will try to just play the bounce or something. Be careful out there. I'm not buying Luna, but it can't hurt to throw a couple bucks and you don't mind losing, and because you could turn like the guy turned $40 into like 160. And there's other stories too. If you check Twitter, I think Kevin Svensson put in some money, like $1, and I think it turned to $23. Anyway, so there's a check out with Million Proposals. There's another proposal here. If you want to follow this or if you want to vote, go ahead and read it and vote. Today, the Roar 3D limited edition's coming out, I think 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And you can get 20% off if you're whitelisted. And then I think 12 or 24 hours later, the prices go up from 0.2 BNB to 0.25 BNB, I believe. But check out their Discord and Telegram and Twitter pages for more information on that if you're interested. Gas prices right now on Ethereum's 40. I don't know how you pronounce that, Gwei or something like that. But the prices are still high in my opinion. For Uniswap price is $20. And yeah, I mean, I'll pay it if I have to, but the price has got to be really low on Uniswap. Right now it's at 334, and it's not low enough when the other prices are 344 and 335. So speaking about blockchains, so the price on Ethereum is 334. I was looking at the liquidity. I haven't bought any million token on Ethereum blockchain the last few days because the gas price was ridiculous, but I wouldn't want to anyway, because if I had $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 of USD in my wallet, I could have actually gotten more million token on the Polygon network versus the Ethereum network because the liquidity was better there yesterday. Now today it's a little bit better, like you can get a couple more, so maybe it's not worth it, especially if you want to buy a lot and you want to stake it in the million pool on the Ethereum blockchain. But yeah, my last purchase, I mean, I got an extra like 50 or 60 million token just because I purchased it on Polygon. Had I used that same money to buy it on Ethereum, I would have been less 50 or 60 million tokens. So it's good to be savvy and know how to use other blockchains. Just don't get stuck buying million token or selling it on Ethereum. Like that one guy I saw, move like 600 tokens from the Ethereum blockchain to Polygon. He probably is doing that, but he just wants to sell a little bit at a time, and you just can't make money on the Ethereum gas fees. So yeah, the fees on PancakeSwap are like probably around 10 cents, give or take a few cents, right? And then on Polygon, it's just a penny or so. So that's that. Let's see now. I think I can close out Luna. I really don't want to keep covering this, but some people are making money off the bounces. But hopefully the news will die down. I think I saw a fake police report that they want to arrest Do Kwon in Singapore. It looked like a fake police report. So you're going to probably hear a lot of crazy stuff. Let's see what's on my profile page here real quick. Is there anything else going on? Yeah. I think that's about it. I don't see a lot of big transactions going on in Ethereum blockchain right now. So I can close this out too. See what's in the news. Interesting thread here about a whale who trades on chain like $1 billion worth. It's a kind of interesting read. There's Aurora NFT, and here's Tech Lead's tweet. Calio says bear markets are where the legends of the next bull markets are made. Yeah, I would agree. So if you're buying Million Token now at $3 or $2, and you know, a 10x from here would be $20 or $30. You know, it could happen fairly quickly. Now I just think the market's still going to roll over. We're at 28,814 for Bitcoin, and we still haven't filled that CME gap down here at 24,600 or so. And even if we fill it, you know, I still think we can go lower. Let's see. Now, if we go on the weekly exponential ribbons, let's see how that looks. Yeah, we're below the weekly exponential ribbon. Yeah, there were some other things too. Yeah, I think where the price is from the exponential ribbon could be a little more. On the monthly chart, let me just hide all this stuff here. We could come down at the bottom of this exponential ribbon, which is around 25,000 or so. Or, you know, the catch that 200 weekly moving average too. You know, wherever that is. That's normally where we really find support at the bottom of a bear market, which it appears that we're kind of in right now. So I see some people in chat. Let me pull that up real quick. We have Don D and we're in a tier in, and Anon says he put 100 into Luna at 10x. Wow, so you got $1,000. That's awesome. And are you gonna ride that to the moon, or are you gonna take some profits? Hey Tim, happy to catch the stream, says Matt. And hey Matt, how are you doing, bro? And everybody's happy to be here. That's good. So yeah, speaking about Luna and people catching knives and stuff, wherever this bottom is, I think my lesson is, you know, I've got to take some profits as they go up. But as the price goes down, I'm going to still buy. I don't know when I'm going to take profits. We'll just wait and see. You know, these altcoins can let me pull up XRP. I haven't pulled up ADA in a while either. I had a wallet with ADA. I had like $5,000 or $6,000 in it one time on my Trezor wallet, and since I upgraded my firmware or went to the Trezor suite, for some reason I don't have access to it anymore. I'm not worried about it. I just haven't gotten around to figuring it out yet. But I had $5,000 or $6,000 worth of Cardano. And I have to figure out to sell it, because I was thinking about selling it, and then I realized I couldn't have access to it. But you know, I still have my keys and stuff. So let's see now. This is XRP, which doesn't look as bad as I thought it would be. So it's still kind of trending up, but man, see, that's a log. No, keep it on log. But sometimes alts, like if you didn't see this part here, let me push this out of the way. My computer's really slow. It shouldn't be though. Okay, so I'm gonna just expand this a little bit. This is the beginning of XRP from November 2014. So if you didn't see this other stuff here, and it ended in February 2017, you were kind of like, it had the parabolic move, it went down, and then kind of got chopped up a lot. So, you know, if Million Token falls into that, I don't think it will, because the fundamentals are different. We don't have a company or founder that's dumping the coins. Like I think perhaps the rumors were that, you know, XRP was pumping and dumping the price. So, you know, lessons learned is, you know, take profits on the way up. I'm hoping to at least take or sell some Million Token, get my initial investment back, which then I could just ride it. You know, it's easier to ride it. And even if it goes down when you sell it, that would kind of be pure profit from your initial investment at least. And then The way taxes work, you could at least write it off as losses. Anyway, so yeah, lesson is take profits on the way up. Everybody says that, but I don't think you have to live through it to really understand it. I got into Million Token with the mindset I was going to hold on to it. Kind of like to be an educator, and that's what the OGs said. But the OGs also say to take profits on the way up, like Jeremy or DaVinci J15. He buys a lot of altcoins also, and I think when it goes up 2x, you take profits, and every time it goes up 2x or something like that. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Let's see now. I haven't put up XRP in a long time. Let me pull up Cardano, just because it's on my mind. You see now, Binance, Coinbase, probably Binance. Anon says he's going to let his Luna ride. Yeah, might as well. You never know. There were so many things I've read on Twitter. Like, I guess Binance halted it for a while because apparently there was an exponential amount of Luna being minted, which just dilutes the supply and it's not good for investors. And I guess they were trying to work that out. And just always some drama. And I think they were going to try to fork it, but if you fork something, that doesn't give value either to it either. So this is Cardano I'm pulling up. Let's see now. Pull this out. See, I bought up here. Now it looks bad. Let me see. I think all these white lines up here is where I bought, and I was just going to hold, but I haven't bought any recently yet. But let me zoom out here. So Cardano is down 84%, and then 87% from the tip. See, these are the numbers that I see at the bottom of bear markets. Although altcoins can crash like 96% if Bitcoin crashes like 84%. And let's see now, the next support for this might be down here, down at 15 cents. Wow, it went above $3 at one point. Let's see now, if we come here and find support down here somewhere, that's a 95% drop, which is in line with altcoins in a bear market. So just keep that in mind. And I see Crypto Backstage. I haven't seen him in a while. How you doing, man? I think it's Rudy, I think is right. Haven't seen you put a video out in a while, or am I missing it? And made good profit on XRP, sold it at $1.40 for Don D. Yeah, that's good. I think I'm going to probably stick with, most of my money is in Bitcoin because I just don't see Bitcoin going anywhere. Institutionals are buying it. Institutions are manipulating it, bring the price back down so they probably can buy more. And I think that's one I don't mind holding so much. But altcoins, I wouldn't hold really any altcoin except maybe Million Token because the fundamentals are just like Bitcoin in my opinion. Fixed supply, no coin inflation, and it's great to have it on other blockchains beside Ethereum because now the gas fees, although they're somewhat reasonable now, but the last 2-3 days, they've been like, $100 or $200 for transaction fees, and if your swap doesn't go through, you're not going to get your Ethereum back for the swap. It just says failed transaction. Sorry, sucker. So I moved my funds to Polygon and PancakeSwap. Mostly Polygon. I like Polygon. And also because I'm buying a good amount and the liquidity is better. So if I'm going to buy and push the price up, I can get more Million Token on Polygon than on, Binance Smart Chain or PancakeSwap. So if you're buying like, 10 or 15 or 20, maybe PancakeSwap's okay. If you're buying significantly more, like 100 or more, then I would go with Proof of Stake, Polygon Network, QuickSwap, and then if you're moving thousands of dollars worth, I would maybe paying the high fees on Ethereum is okay. Yeah. Crypto Backstage says, yep, his name's Rudy. Yeah, I was trying to remember. So I'm glad I got that right. Okay, I hope everybody's doing well. If you want to keep up to date with the news, what I'm following, I kind of just repost a lot or tweet on the Twitter page. I think that's about it. And I think the voting on that proposal ends tomorrow on Sunday. So if you want to vote and use your wallet, you have today and tomorrow to do that. Hope everybody has a great day. If you like this content, give me a like, subscribe, and comment down below. And of course, please share. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.